Hello, Indri here, your breathwork and mindset coach. And today I invite you to join me for a calming and centering breath practice. So, this is something I invite you to do if you can every day for at least a week, ideally for 3 weeks, and see if that helps to notice, actually not if it will, I'm actually quite sure it will, how that helps you to shift your change of being from perhaps a bit more nervous or perhaps for a bit more hard thoughts, going into more gentleness, softness, connectedness, and kindness. Okay, so we're going to inhale through the nose and exhale through the mouth, extending the exhale. And we're also going to do a deep belly breathing. Deep belly breathing means that we are inhaling by pushing out the belly a little bit. So I'm doing this here a bit in the sunlight, but you'll see anyways. The belly is nicely lit up. So putting your hands on the belly, so we have this diaphragm, which is our biggest breathing muscle. It's just here under the rib cage. And when we breathe into the belly, when we are pushing the belly out, we pull the diaphragm down, and it moves from this dome shape, it goes down like this. And what it does, it pulls down the lungs a little bit, and it fills up the bottom part of the lungs with air, and then the top. What often happens when we are in stress mode, we are breathing mainly with the chest, so it would just look like this. Or if you're in a panic as well, it's like this, very short and in the chest only. This is how the body responds to stress. And if you're breathing more in that way, normally in the chest, if you're chest breathing, short chest breathers, we also signal the body that we're in stress, and so it stays into that stress loop. So what I'm inviting you today is to breathe into the belly. And this signals the body to go into calm mode. It's really like a switch, like a remote control almost, which you have in your own hands. Okay, so put your hand on your belly and relax the belly a little bit. See if you can relax this, because we tend to hold the belly in. And now we breathe, we inhale through the nose, pushing the hand out, and we exhale and it just goes down. So inhale through the nose, pushing the hand out, and exhale. Okay, let's do this together. Inhale through the nose, the belly goes out, and exhale. Inhale through the nose, the belly goes out, and exhale. Inhale, belly out, chest up, and exhale, slow, gentle, extended exhale with a shh. Inhale, belly, chest, exhale, shh. Closing your eyes if you can. Inhale, belly, exhale, shh. Keeping the eyes closed, helping you to go inward. Inhale, belly, exhale, inhale, belly goes out, exhale, in, belly, exhale. Keep on doing this in your own pace, noticing the hand going up on the inhale on the belly and a long exhale. Invitation is to smile as well on the inhale. There's a gentle smile on your face. This also signals the body that you're safe, that you're calm. And a long exhale. Inhale with an affirmation. You could say, I am calm. And exhale, I am relaxing. Inhale, I am calm. And exhale, I am relaxing. And see, try it out. Perhaps your mind is gonna come in wanting to tell you different. And just see if you can keep on with this gentle nudge, this affirmation for your own body and heart, going into the heart, noticing I am calm or calmer, and exhale, I am relaxing. Or noticing the parts of the body which are warm, the parts of the body which are relaxing. And just acknowledging those with the inhale. I see you're calm, I see you are relaxing. And then asking yourself with lots of love and compassion and kindness, what would make this day great? What would make this day great? And see if there's something coming up, a message from your heart. What would make this day great? And see if you can soften a little bit into that, even if your mind comes in and wants to tell you different again. See if you can stay with what your heart says, what the kind and soft parts of you inside say. And see if you can brace them, and if your mind is getting loud, let it be as well, not shutting it off, just giving it also a bit of space, listening to what it has to say without getting guided or too much led by it. Just gently giving it space and giving it a deep inhale as well. I hear you, I'm here for you, I am listening to you. And I am also choosing to listen to my heart, to that part inside me that knows, that is calm, that is compassionate, that knows unconditional love, that knows how warm this love is, like the sun ray right now. Like even now in the autumn time, the sun can shine warm and bright and gentle. Like our hearts can receive and give that unconditional love to ourselves and to others. With that, putting both hands on your heart space, perhaps on the skin, and really feeling your skin on your skin. And closing this practice with an Om. Take a deep inhale for an Om. Om. that vibration of the Om and the sunshine and the love inside your heart ripple out into your whole body, into your whole being, and into your mind. And wherever you are right now, that's just perfectly okay, no matter how calm, how open, how restless, how both of it you are. All of it is how it is right now. And that's the beauty of it, that we can feel everything as long as we give it space and compassion. So I encourage you to do this a few times, do this at least once a day, and perhaps send me a note when you've done this. That would be really good. I can be your accountability partner. Post it here or send it to me, and I'm sending you from my heart to yours, wishing you a beautiful, beautiful day with whatever comes, that comes. Wish you a beautiful day.